In this video, I'm going to show you how to fish in Once Human. So this is actually very simple. All you need is some bait and a fishing rod and of course a body of water where you can fish. So it has to be deep enough. What you have to do first is of course place down the supplies workbench, and then inside the supplies workbench you want to make a fishing rod, and it costs, as you can see over here, it costs 20 logs and then 10 copper ingots. So once you have that, you can create yourself a fishing rod, and then the easiest bait you can get is the dough fish bait, okay? And this is created by obtaining corn. Now, corn is very simple to get. All you have to do is open up your map and go over here to this farm to the right. As you can see in Dayton Wetlands, you have to go to this farm and look for plants that give you corn. It will be called a corn, and you can simply press F, harvest them, and get your bait. Now, you then have to go to a suitable body of water where you can fish. So this is over here, for example, where there's kind of deep waters, okay? And once you get there, I'm going to show you over here. However, you can't fish here. You have to simply equip your fishing rod. So for me, as you can see, it's on it's on the number 8 down there. I press 8. There we go. I have it in my hands. And then you want to press R once you have it equipped. So like this. There we go. You want to press R, and you want to kind of attach the bait. Simply click on it, and the bait will be attached. As you can see, he's now attaching the bait. There we go. And then once that's done, you simply want to left click, and then you want to wait for the fish to come, okay? So it says cannot fish here, and that's because you have to try somewhere else and the waters aren't deep enough. However, if you find enough deep waters, you'll be able to fish just like I showed you. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.